safe now. Almost there. Hey. Got you. Let's get you warm. Yeah, I'm out in the woods. I've got an adult white wolf. He's hurt pretty badly. I need a vet or a hospital. The closest place you can send me. Okay, heading that way now. Thank you. It's not letting up. You're doing great, buddy. Get there soon.
It's almost finished. No fracture, just a strain.
Good to hear.
Okay.
Anything special I should do?
Keep it dry and limit running for a week. I'll send you home with a few anti-inflammatories.
Okay. Thanks, doctor.
My pleasure.
Don't worry, little one. Your mom is okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Good girls.
That's it. Almost done. There we go. Good boy. All better, huh? Good girl. Hey, buddy.
You're silly. Okay, that's better.